Hi everyone, it's been a while since my last video. Today this video is talking about Thailand mobile phone repair conference that just finished a few days ago. First of all, I'm gonna appreciate the organizer. It is truly an honor to be a guest speaker on stage to share my knowledge. Anyway, there's still a lot of people that don't know what happened in this conference. I'm not talking about the contents of it. I'm talking about the CPU competition. There was a lot of incident happened during the competition. Or I should say even before that. Why I say that it is because by the time I had purchased my ticket, when the moment the event has gained so much of attraction, suddenly they changed the name of the conference from CGC to YCS. Well, this is the first incident changing the name without notifying anyone at all. But during the event, some people still refer the conference as CGC and some others they call it as YCS. And we were wearing the YCS shirt. It was quite confusing. I believe something funny happened between them, especially Wyman and the others. So that was the first incident happened that I didn't dare to ask them. The second one is more serious. It was during the CPU competition. As you know, the final result, there's two groups of winners. Two groups. Let me tell you why that happened. On the first day, in the afternoon, a sponsor suddenly announced that they wanted to sponsor the first prize money. Originally, the first prize was 10,000 renminbi, but they added an additionally 66,000 renminbi. Because of this action, this amount of money, it triggered a series of incidents during the competition. Anyway, the sponsor was Luban, LB2s. The first mistake they made was announcing that they only wanted to sponsor the prize for winner from China, not foreigner. Funny thing is, when they announced the sponsorship in Chinese, the translator had already translated this good news to everyone. So this effectively forced the sponsor to extend the prize to everyone. With this great news, all participants were very excited. However, as the day went on, the excitement turned into something ugly. The first problem during the competition was when we started seeing newcomers join in. Even thought they had not registered before the event. At first, we stayed silent, didn't complain, because there were no clear rules against it. The second problem arose when participants who had failed the competition, whether it is CPU dead, running out of time, they were given a second chance to start over. This is really unfair to those who only had one chance to participate. The third problem was that even the judge joined the competition. You know, they're supposed to be judged. Funny thing is, it was very lucky that even the judge failed in this competition. The competition continued until 2 a.m. But the last few hours, it were very uncomfortable because the AC had been turned off since 10 o'clock. Everyone was so tired, so that's how they decided to end at 2 o'clock. The next morning, very lucky that, especially from India, they have raised the complaint about all these unfair incidents. Because that much of complaint, the organizer decided to split the prize into two groups. One for the first attempt participant, and another one for re-attempt group. By the way, the re-attempt, it was not free. They only had one chance for re-attempt because the motherboard were limited. Also in the final few hours, Of course, there were other participants who wanted to buy another reattempt, but the judge told them there were no more motherboard available. Eventually, not long after, even the judge joined the competition using those leftover motherboards. And as you know, all the judges were Chinese and part of the YCS team. Well, I do hope we all learn something from this. For the next competition or maybe next conference, it should be more fair and having more stricter rules. Judges are not allowed to join the competition. Also, only registered participants allowed to compete. Competition shouldn't have second chance, cannot have second attempt. By having a second chance to reattempt is like unlimited resurrect items in a game. It is like pay to win. Also, there shouldn't be allowed to have extra time to test the machine, or we should a same amount of fixed time for testing. This will be fair to everyone. Maybe all these are just my opinions. What do you think about this competition? It is fair or unfair? It is okay to share your own idea to help improve this kind of conference or the competition. Even for we are not the organizer, I believe for sure some other organizer might have watched this video. Hopefully they learn one or two things. So I see you on the next video. Bye.